This is a socket. This is the tendon of a tabernacle board. This is the tabernacle board that is going to go, this is a tendon, it's going to have a socket. These are 1.5 cubits wide, and there's 20 of them in the wilderness tabernacle. So we say it's a wall. Why are you going to have a wall, a three-sided wall, solid wall? If these are, so then we say it's then 30 cubits long. And then we try to put a tent on top of it and such. I'm saying the tabernacle boards are these. They're 1.5 cubits wide, but they're over the course of the tent. The tent goes 40 cubits. We know that, but we say the tabernacle is 30 cubits because we take 20 boards times 1.5. But this, don't forget, the tabernacle is the curtains. 5 curtains here, 5 curtains there, coupled together in the middle, making up 28 cubits. 28 cubits wide, 40 cubits long on the tabernacle. A flat, nice, fine linen with cherubim on it, and it's got posts. It's got 20 gold boards, it says. Now the boards are 10 meters high, which is 15 feet high, but these boards are 1.5 meters wide, and it doesn't say how wide or whatever, the breadth. So maybe they're pillars, maybe they're square, 1.5 by 1.5 by 1. Otherwise, you don't have a, oh, it's a board, so it's thin. Okay, well, that's fine. Well, so we got boards, but they are still 1.5 cubits. So if you put 20 boards at 1.5 cubits over the course of 40 cubits, you're going to have a space in between. And this space in between is going to be 1/2 cubit. It's going to be about 9 inches. You're going to have a space in between there. So what you're going to get is column space, column space, column space, and you're going to get a shadow of a pillar, because this up here, the south sun is going to hit, and it's going to cast a shadow. And you're going to have 19 pillars of light within the tabernacle, and the 7-branch menorah right over here. And as Aaron moves it day by day, because the moon, where's the moon? Good gracious alive, where's the moon? Because the moon, oh, there it is. Oh, we got to get a picture of that. Because the moon not only rotates around the earth, but it goes on a cycle of 9 years out, 9 years in. 9 years out, 9 years in. It's slowly moving away from that cycle, away from the earth, over the course of thousands of years, but every 9 years it goes back and forth. We get a supermoon. Oh, because it's so close to us at this time of the year. Okay, right. So if you have 19 spaces, you're gonna, with the 7-branch menorah, you're also going to have a keeping track of the moon moving in and out, not only on its rotation. So these are the sockets. You put a 1.5-inch board here, 40 cubits down, you're going to have a flat top on here. Yeah, you're going to put some, you're going to have some every look how perfect this is. See how much in alignment this is? See how perfect this? These guys know, since they know the size of the tabernacle, these guys drill a hole here, and that's the socket. That's your silver socket, only it's where the board goes. So the first thing, when these guys build this tabernacle, when these guys build this tent, the first thing they do is they come out and they put the sockets in. Only it's the sockets of the pole in the wilderness tabernacle. Then these guys come out and bring the tent and lay the tent flat. Then they come and put this is the boards. This is the boards I'm specifically talking about. Then they bring the boards in, 20 on this side. They don't even know, 6 or 8 on the width. There's 20 boards on this side, but even your tabernacle readers, oh, is it 6 boards? Oh, is it 8 boards? And each board is 1.5 cubits. But they're all in perfect, and then you lay them down, and since the tent is on the ground, you get a bunch of people, watch the movie Dumbo, and they lift the tent. Well, how do you keep the middle of the tent? How do you keep the tent up? Don't forget the 5 gold bars, one that ran the full length, a gold bar ran the full length. Well, yeah, the full length of the side of the tabernacle. The side of the tabernacle. Remember, it's 2 5 curtains. So it's running the length of the tabernacle to hold it up. It's a Da Vinci bridge. There's 5 of them.